Your home's windows do more than just provide natural light and ventilation. They play a crucial role in determining the overall aesthetic, energy efficiency, and market value of your property. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to boost its curb appeal, investing in high-quality windows is a smart decision. Windows Eagle, a trusted name in premium window solutions, offers a range of products that enhance both home value and exterior charm. Here's how their windows can transform your home. Elevating curb appeal with stylish window design. Curb appeal is the first impression your home makes, and windows are a significant part of that equation. Windows Eagle provides a variety of window styles to suit any architectural design, from contemporary to traditional homes. Their collection includes picture windows, perfect for creating a striking focal point while allowing maximum natural light. Casement windows, sleek and modern, these windows offer unobstructed views and excellent ventilation. Bay and bow windows, these classic styles add elegance and depth to your home's exterior. Double hung windows, a versatile option that works well in both traditional and modern homes. Custom windows, tailored to fit unique spaces, adding a distinctive touch to any home design. By choosing Windows Eagle products, homeowners can effortlessly enhance their property's exterior, making it more visually appealing and inviting. Boosting home value with high-quality materials. Windows are a long-term investment, and their quality directly impacts the value of your home. Prospective buyers appreciate homes with durable, energy-efficient, and stylish windows, which is why Windows Eagle's premium materials stand out. Durability matters. Windows Eagle offers windows made from top-quality materials, such as vinyl windows, known for their low maintenance, durability, and energy efficiency. Fiberglass windows, resistant to warping and cracking, providing longevity and superior insulation. Wood windows, a timeless choice that adds natural beauty and warmth to any home. Aluminum windows, ideal for modern designs, offering a sleek, minimalist look. By upgrading to high-quality windows from Windows Eagle, homeowners can increase their home's resale value while ensuring long-term performance and durability. Enhancing energy efficiency and reducing utility costs. Energy efficiency is a major factor in home value, and Windows Eagle specializes in cutting-edge window technologies designed to minimize energy consumption. Key energy-saving features. Low E-glass coatings reflect heat during summer and retain warmth in winter, reducing HVAC costs. Double and triple pane glass provides superior insulation to keep indoor temperatures stable. Argon or krypton gas fills acts as an additional barrier to heat transfer. Weather-resistant seals prevents drafts and air leaks, improving home comfort year-round. Energy-efficient windows not only make homes more comfortable but also increase property value by attracting eco-conscious buyers looking for cost-effective living solutions. Increasing natural light for a brighter, more inviting home. Well-lit homes appear larger, more welcoming, and more valuable. Windows Eagle designs their products to maximize natural light, making indoor spaces feel more open and vibrant. Homes with abundant natural light often have higher perceived value, as buyers prefer bright, airy interiors over dark, confined spaces. By incorporating large, strategically placed windows, homeowners can create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces while boosting aesthetic appeal. Providing enhanced security and noise reduction. Home security is a top priority for homeowners and potential buyers alike. Windows Eagle incorporates advanced security features in their designs, including multi-point locking systems, offers superior protection against break-ins. Reinforced glass options, shatter-resistant glass adds an extra layer of security. Impact-resistant windows, ideal for homes in storm-prone areas. Additionally, their high-quality glass and insulated frames provide excellent noise reduction, making homes quieter and more serene. This added comfort and security significantly enhance property value and curb appeal. Customization options for a unique and personalized look. Every home is unique, and Windows Eagle offers a wide range of customization options to help homeowners achieve their desired aesthetic. From different frame colors and finishes to unique shapes and grille patterns, their custom windows allow homeowners to create a distinctive look that enhances the character of their home. Conclusion: upgrading to Windows Eagle products is one of the best investments homeowners can make to enhance both curb appeal and property value. With stylish designs, energy-efficient technology, durable materials, and advanced security features, Windows Eagle windows provide long-term benefits that go beyond aesthetics. Whether you're looking to modernize your home, improve energy efficiency, or increase resale value, Windows Eagle has the perfect window solutions to meet your needs. Transform your home today with high-quality windows that offer beauty, functionality, and value for years to come.